So we're back. Hi, my name is Veiah, and today we're gonna talk more about Canva updates and Canva. Canva. I love Canva. I have some still having some sore coughing a little bit, not much. So anyway, I recently attended Canva Canva's event on the upgrades they were making for us, for you, for me. Yes, there's so much updates that's going on, and let's find out. We have in our screen, as you can see in the screen, these are the updates that Canva had made recently. Whiteboards, which I enjoy so much. Presentations, it's really amazing because it's time saving. Now, social media. Oh, everybody loves social media. I bet you are also into social media. That's why you're here, right? And so let's talk about that. As you can see, I click on social media, and this is what is showing here. You can see there's a popular. You can edit photo, Instagram post, Facebook post, and all kinds of, if you click on this arrow, it will show you more. Keep clicking, it will show you more. And so with the social media, you can use the magic resize, one design in every size. There's make your post pop, and you can always plan content planner, plan schedule post. This is for the paid account. Now, if you're a free account, you can use Hootsuite, and there's another one. I'm trying to remember. So anyway, just like that, you can use social media posts on Canva, using Canva. And of course, you can still have Instagram. Here are the examples, like already done for you, that you just have to click and tweak it a little bit. Facebook and templates, there's tons of templates you can use, even for free accounts. So join Canva. I really enjoyed Canva. So let's try doing something. Let's try it on Facebook. Online course. Let's try this one. I have an online course coming up, and I would love to use this. So free online course. Yes, you can change this into a different one by going to elements. You can change, let's find a computer, or you will find a laptop, and it will give you some options here. Laptop, you can see this one is. Now you can see this is flip. This is on one side, although this is the one, but this is the same one. Okay. The good thing is this, you can even change the color. As you can see, you have blue, pink, you can change that. And not only that, you can also make it facing this way instead of facing to the left. You can make it face to the right. How you can do that? You go to flip and flip horizontal, and now it's facing to the right. You can make this go up a little bit and go up. Or you don't really need to. And you can change the color if you want this pink. If your background is pink, then you can change this by clicking this and change it to pink. Let's say this pink or this pink or peach, somewhat peach. Now, if you want to change it back to blue and change your background to blue, you can also do that. You want to go to here, make sure if you want to change the background to blue, you want to make sure you see this highlighted. And then you can pick a color. When you pick a color, you can pick the blue color, and now it's showing it as blue. Now, as you can see, there were other things in the pink. That is the background. This one, we're just picking a color. So if I delete this for now, because we don't need it, and I'll change this color to blue, this is what happens. But it seems like it's better to make it pink. So there's contrast, right? And so just like that, you can move this to make it look different. And you can change this text by clicking on it, and then you can change it to my course, your course, or something like that, your course. We'll keep it that way. So you can also just use this scroll back and backward, undo, control when you don't want to do it here. That's one way. And of course, if you want to change the font, you click on it. Make sure when you click on it, you see this blinking line. That means you're inside the box. If you don't, you will not be able to do that. So here you can go to the font and change it to Montserrat. It's too big, then you can resize it here. If it's too big, you can resize it here, or you can just click this until it looks perfect, like that. Or you can go back to how it used to be. So it's the same thing with all the text. You change the font color. You can change the color here. You want it pink. If you want bright pink, if you want red, just like that, very simple. So there you go. You ready to post on your social media? Yes, of course. You got Canva. Bye for now. See you next for our next update.